Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chicken, bacon, and spinach Alfredo stuffed shells. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you would need chicken breast, bacon, jumbo shells, spinach, a shallot, minced garlic, Colby and Monterrey Jack cheese, mozzarella cheese, butter, cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder, and Italian seasoning. Begin by cubing 2 chicken breasts. Dice 1 shallot. Season the chicken to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, smoked paprika, chili powder, and Italian seasoning. Boil jumbo shells according to the directions on the package. In a skillet, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add bacon and cook until crispy. Once the bacon is done, remove it from the skillet and add the chicken to the same skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until fully cooked. Once the chicken is done, remove it from the skillet. Add 2 cups of spinach and allow it to cook down for 3 to 4 minutes. Add shallots, add minced garlic and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. In a separate skillet, add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter melts, add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and allow to simmer for 5 minutes. Season to taste with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. Turn off the heat and add a half cup of mozzarella cheese. Mix until the cheese melts. Chop bacon into bits. In a bowl, mix together the chicken and spinach. Add 8 ounces of cream cheese and mix until combined. Add a half cup of mozzarella cheese and a half cup of Colby and Monterrey Jack cheese. Add about a tablespoon of the chicken and spinach mixture to the shells. Coat the bottom of the baking dish with Alfredo sauce. Add the stuffed shells. Top with bacon, Alfredo sauce, mozzarella cheese, Colby and Monterey Jack cheese, and more bacon. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. And there you have it, chicken, bacon, and spinach Alfredo stuffed shells. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.